divide 923 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down these 3 and 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no number to put down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 923 divided by 2 is 461 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.